Hey there guys, I'm back here with another part of this mini-series I'm doing, which I called The Rise of the Tarkir Conspiracy. What I will do, I will open one booster pack from Khans of Tarkir, from Conspiracy, and one from Rise of the Eldrazi. So let's go treasure hunting, hoping for some sweet pulls. Khans of Tarkir, some nice foils, maybe one of the planeswalkers, or maybe some fleshlands. Let's go quickly through the uncommons here. Sorry if there is a glare. The first uncommon is a Quiet Contemplation. We have a Cranial Archive, a Warden of the Eye, and the rare is 1,000 Winds. And I think we have a foil. We do have a foil, yeah. It's a foil mountain. And we have a Swamp and a tip card. So let's do the Conspiracy pack. See if you can pull a foil Brainstorm or maybe a Dag Faden, foil Dag Faden. We have a foil Wind Dancer. We have an Uncontrollable Anger and a Flaring Flamekin, and the rare is Basandra, Battle Seraph. And I believe we have a foil here. We do have a foil, it's Grenzo's Cutthroat. And we have a Cogwork Tracker and a Spirit Token. Over to the Rise of the Eldrazi. Let's see if we can get one of the Eldrazi monsters, creatures, or even a foil one would be sweet. Just going to take a quick look at the comments here. Ulamog's Crusher there. First uncommon is a Pelaka Worm. Second is a Pawn of Ulamog. We have a Crab Umbra, and the rare is Spawn Sire of Ulamog. It's an Eldrazi creature, big one, not the one we wanted, but anyway. And we have a Forest and a Rules tip card. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye bye.